Genesis 50:20. 20 But as for you, yet thought evil against me, but God meant it unto good, to bring to pass, as it is this day, to save much people alive. Psalm 37:1-2. 1 Fret not thyself because of evildoers, neither be thou envious against the workers of iniquity. 2 For they shall soon be cut down like the grass, and wither as the green herb. Matthew 5:10-12. 10 Blessed are they which are persecuted for righteousness' sake, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. 11 Blessed are ye, when men shall revile you, and persecute you, and shall say all manner of evil against you falsely, for my sake. 12 Rejoice, and be exceeding glad, for great is your reward in heaven, for so persecuted they the prophets which were before you. 2 Corinthians 4:8-12. 8 We are troubled on every side, yet not distressed, we are perplexed, but not in despair. 9 Persecuted, but not forsaken, cast down, but not destroyed. 10 Always bearing about in the body the dying of the Lord Jesus, that the life also of Jesus might be made manifest in our body. 11 For we which live are always delivered unto death for Jesus' sake, that the life also of Jesus might be made manifest in our mortal flesh. 12 So then death worketh in us, but life in you. 2 Timothy 1:11-12. 11 Whereunto I am appointed a preacher, and an apostle, and a teacher of the Gentiles. 12 For the which cause I also suffer these things, nevertheless I am not ashamed, for I know whom I have believed, and am persuaded that he is able to keep that which I have committed unto him against that day. 1 Peter 3:13-14. 13 And who is he that will harm you, if ye be followers of that which is good? 14 But and if ye suffer for righteousness' sake, happy are ye, and be not afraid of their terror, neither be troubled.